Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Heavenly Nails It. I'm Star. Thank you for joining me today. Today I will be doing a beginner-friendly nail design using the color pink and adding some embellishment to it. So I thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching Heavenly Nails It. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that bell to make sure you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you, and let's get started. The polish I'm using today is by Icky, and I'm going to use my long liner brush, and I will be starting on making my V shape, and that's where I will be applying most of my polish to the tip of my nail, and I'm outlining my V shape. And I'm now filling it in, and once I complete that process, I will put it in the lamp and cure it for 30 seconds, and then I will apply my second coat, and I will also cure that 30 seconds. I would like to know if you prefer my videos to be sped up, or do you prefer to watch them in depth at its normal speed, so that way you can get a little bit more intel or in detail with what I'm doing. So just place a comment in the comment section below. Talk to me. Let me know what your preference is. I appreciate it. I would also like to know, what kind of videos would you like to see? Would you like to see acrylic application, gel nail application, poly gel, just polish designs, nail polish art, nail polish nail designs, just different nail designs? Just talk to me. Let me know what your preference is. What would you like to see? That helps me get an idea with what everyone is just enjoying. So again, I really appreciate it. If you've made it this far to my video, I want to thank you so much. I can't do it and succeed without your support. And don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the notification bell, it would definitely notify you of any videos and all videos that I upload in the future. So this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like. I hope you subscribe. I hope you share. Again, my name is Star. Thank you for watching.